Start by adding your image to the timeline and adjust their position properly. Now apply a stylish frame or background to make your design more attractive. Next, go to the effects section and select the glitch effect to give a modern look. Adjust the intensity of the glitch effect until it looks smooth and eye-catching. After that, control the speed of needed to match the web of your video. Also adjust the volume or add music to enhance the overall feel. Review your video, make final adjustments, and once everything looks perfect, tap on the save button to export your video.